Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to save a video with a filter on your iPhone without the template of the filter or without the TikTok watermark. So let's get started. We're going to film a TikTok. I'm going to show my ugly face, but with a cool filter. All right, there we go. Okay, so now get rid of this song right here so it doesn't mess with our tutorial. We press this, and now on the bottom right where you see that arrow, we're going to press on that arrow, scroll down, and then click save. And now all we have to do is go to our camera roll, and we have that video saved without any filter or watermark. So guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.